Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Audi A4 Quattro that we have for sale. We recently took this one in on trade. Really nice vehicle inside and out, beautiful shape, lovely color combination of black on black. This one's a local clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. The Audi A4 is a compact luxury sedan. It's also considered a performance sedan too. Competes with the BMW 3 Series, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and even our product, the Infiniti Q50. We have the original build sheet on this one. This thing seems to have a season of Audi selection, so this was a special edition version of the A4 made in 2017. Manufacturers do come out with special edition vehicles, bundling, popular option packages. And that looks like it's the case for this one. We can print you out a copy or email you one if you want to peruse this yourself. I'll pop one up on the screen so you can see it a little bit better. Original MSRP is $44,700. So it's brilliant black on black interior. This has a convenience package that was $900. The convenience package gives you 8-way power front seats with driver memory, heated auto-dimming exterior mirrors, an alarm system, Sirius XM All Access with a 3-month trial subscription. Obviously, that's only for the person who bought it new. But sometimes if you do contact Sirius XM, they do have trial programs for people that purchase a vehicle with the hardware just to kind of get them hooked. So if you do purchase this, you could probably get a free trial for some of the Sirius XM products. Audi Advanced Key, basically it's a keyless ignition system. Heated front seats for $500. Then the season of Audi selection, that gives you these 18-inch 5-arm twin-spoke design wheels, Audi MMI navigation system plus MMI touch controller, Audi Connect Prime and Plus. That looks like it's some sort of a trial telematic system. So it looks like if you do want that, you'd probably have to subscribe for that service at this point. Audi Virtual Cockpit, and then S-Line bumpers, S-Line blades, and S-Line fender badges. So it's kind of like a sport appearance package, and stainless steel door sills with S logo. So there you have it. Beautiful interior, moonroof, 8-speed automatic transmission to maximize performance and efficiency. I love the clean design of the Audi cockpit, kind of minimalist, understated German styling. The automotive press absolutely loves Audi's products. They love their design. They really love the navigation system. This has the virtual cockpit, so it's pretty cool. So obviously you have a traditional screen here, but if you look over here, you have the virtual cockpit. So it can also put the navigation screen and the gauge cluster. You can also kind of configure what information you want to show up on this screen. You can make the gauges larger and smaller. You can make the navigation screen bigger. In that case, it's actually almost bigger than the regular navigation screen. So pretty cool stuff. The Audi Virtual Cockpit is very well received by the automotive press. They love it. Nice leather up steering wheel. There are those S-Line badges. Really nice stylish sedan. Looks great on black. Also has tinted windows. Rear climate control. You have Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. Great for the wet, slippery climate we have here in the Pacific Northwest. Front-wheel drive is standard. The Quattro all-wheel drive is optional. Most of the Audis that I've seen in the A4s are all-wheel drive. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to pretty much anywhere in Washington and Oregon. We can put this on our car hauler, tow it to your house, print up all the paperwork, and you can buy this beautiful A4 with our mobile delivery service without leaving your neighborhood. Contact us for more information about that. For our engine, we have a workhorse power plant. We can find this in lots of Audi products, and we can also find this engine in lots of Volkswagen products. Volkswagen is Audi's parent company. This 2-liter turbocharged engine, I believe it makes about 220 horsepower if I remember correctly. I don't know if it states that in the window sticker. I think it's between 220 and 250 horsepower. I'll pop the exact horsepower up on the screen. I'll go double check it. So when I edit this video, I'll know the exact horsepower. Oh, here we go. 252 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Oh, and I said, sorry, I said 8-speed automatic. This one actually is a 7-speed automatic transmission. Still a lot of gears. So not a heavy car with 250 horsepower. This thing scoots, and it's also very fuel efficient. You'll average right around 27, get up to maybe around 30, 31 on the highway. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.